Sonal, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good to see. We can see half your face now. I think full. So
Yeah, okay.
now complete lockdown in Mumbai. You're in Mumbai right now.
Yeah, I'm in Mumbai, and yes, my building is also sealed because of COVID cases. So we are also not able to go out, and I'm like little irritated now, but what to do?
So deja vu back to last April. Were you in Mumbai last?
Exactly, exactly. It's all like coming up all again.
पर I think एक dry run हो गया हम सबका कि how it goes, right?
How we have to live exactly because क्या होता है कि ना हम लोगों ने ऐसी सिचुएशन पहले कभी देखा नहीं है and this is the situation once in a lifetime, like we are in the history, I would say.
Hmm.
It's pathetic, but हाँ एक the way people had like been used to living last year, so now they know how to live, and I hope that there won't be any depression cases and other cases now. Yeah.
And I've seen on your Insta तो आप काफी I think you do exercises, you routines, lockdown. I was just going through your Insta
I do a lot of the voice was cracking, a lot of exercise routine.
routine and things.
Yeah. I like to keep myself fit because I'm an actor. I have to be fit all the time. And then, you know what happens when we are doing certain things and we are telling people to do something, so they'll also, follow all those things. So I think we become an inspiration for some of the people who are following us. So why not to take this opportunity to help others also? So
No,
that
no,
is
it's
why I keep
great. I think
pushing.
it's could be. I think you will stay fit, and I think you are encouraging so many people to stay fit.
Yeah, definitely.
What else you are doing during lockdown? Watching a lot of OTT, what reading,
Yeah,
cooking.
I'm watching. Yeah, I think for an actors we get a lot of opportunity to see because we get opportunity for ourselves to be with ourselves also, which is very much required. And I'm really enjoying this part of in the lockdown. I think साल में एक महीना lockdown कर देना चाहिए without no reason. Reason is not good. But we get a lot of things to watch. Netflix is a good thing, web series, films, which I was craving to see a lot of films. So in last lockdown, I must have seen like 200 films. And this lockdown also, last lockdown, I saw Game of Thrones. And then I was just thinking that I want to see Breaking Bad as well. So now lockdown has happened. So Breaking Bad has started and I'm just completing that.
Breaking Bad तो काफी पुराना है, right?
It's Purana, but it is one of the cult, like
Well,
Game of Thrones and then Breaking Bad. These two are the top web series in the entire world. Yeah.
and any new movies you saw? I think any new releases on OTT?
I saw Ajib Dastan.
Ah, that's a good one. I think I
Yeah,
heard.
that's the second last and the last two stories I really loved.
Really good.
That was like full of emotions and how many emotions, like you never see one emotion in a person. There are like a lot of emotions. So it was like portrayed very beautifully, I think.
Even the first one, I think the first one was good. I also saw. All four were
I
good.
saw in comparison, I think
Yeah,
because all were together, so I would like to say that like last two I really liked.
right.
The thing that you can lie from your mouth, but you cannot lie from your eyes, and then eventually she lies from her eyes. Like those, those are really meaningful. I think, yeah, very nicely written and made.
And very good acting, right? I think.
Yeah. All are so good, and they really take a lot of time and research, and everything is involved in one project. Unlike TV, like you have to just do it, complete it in a day. So
Right.
that shows on screen, I think also.
So have you also done some OTT series? We know you've done a
Yeah,
lot.
yeah. I though made my own I made my own web series last year in the lockdown. That's called Tia and Raj. So
Okay,
it's on Amex Player right now. So we just made it for our YouTube channel. We didn't think that it'll be like loved by people, and then Amex Player will contact us and they will approach us to play it on their platform. So it was quite a surprise for us also. But it was about a conversation between on a phone call between a girl and a guy, and how they happens to maybe fall in love or not, or like what is the thing which happens in between them, or is it a planned thing? So that was the thing. It's very interesting. So that I did, that was on my own, but I did 2 web series also, which will be, it is under post-production right now, so it will come in Cold Blood and in the Socho project. So these two are there in
So the,
pipeline.
so the one you did last lockdown, Tia and Raj, so you produced on your own, you wrote the script, or how did it come about?
The Tia and Raj we did on our own, me and one of my friends.
Oh wow!
So
So
yeah.
you producer, right?
Yeah, I'm the producer of that. That's my baby, yes. Yeah.
And you know your name is very uncommon. Donal, right? Not Donna.
It's
Donal.
Donald. It's Donald. We call
Donal.
me Donald. It's Donald, yes.
Donal, right? So must be a very uncommon name your parents kept, right? नहीं तो लोगों के एकदम निशा ये शीला मतलब very.
तब होता है हाँ. I think I'm very fortunate कि मेरे parents could see out of the box and they named me this. But मैं जब यहाँ आई थी मुंबई में and everybody asked me कि यार क्या अजीब सा नाम है, change कर लो. Some people used to say कि अरे तुमने जानबूझ के ऐसा नाम रखा है. I was like no. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने नाम दिया है मुझे, and especially my mother. My dad doesn't like my name. He's like, क्या Donald होता है. My name came from S, so it was Shelza.
Okay.
So it was like पंडित ने बोला था S से है, तो dad was like Shelza रखेंगे, but my mom was like, no, I want to name her Donald.
Oh,
So
really?
there is a sweet story also behind. My brother was watching Mickey and Donald. So yeah, it's a cute story, but it is the real story. And my mother thought that Donald name is quite nice, and she deleted the D from the end and she named me Donald. So here I am, one and only.
So you are
In
Donald.
India.
You are Donald. Oh wow. So Donald is interesting.
So it's a very beautiful meaning also. It's a Scottish word, means master of universe. So when I got to know the meaning of it, then I'm like, fine, okay.
Sanskrit meaning हो ना हो, Scottish meaning तो है.
हाँ, Scottish meaning है.
And are you a foodie? Because we are a food company. Are you a foodie? What you cook? What do you like to eat?
I am a big time foodie, and biryani by kilo is one of my family's favorite, I would like to say. So I would like to tell you that because जब भी मैं घर जाती हूँ, मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ, but my parents lives in Noida. So my brother is a big foodie and he always orders biryani from Biryani by Kilo only, and that's a true story. I'm not making it up. It's a true story. So yeah, we love your biryani.
But see, Biryani by Kilo, we have 7 outlets in Mumbai, 4 in Pune also. Now we opened in Goa also, so you can order in Mumbai.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Nice. Where else? Like in what states you have? Mumbai, Delhi,
So we
Goa?
have in most of North India, from Jaipur, Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Kanpur, Bhopal, Indore, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, Calcutta. So we have in most of except South, we are in most of India. And South,
Nice. In North, I think more foodies are there already in North. Are you Punjabi?
not really. I am Agarwal.
Acha, okay. Either biryani, so Punjabis. Okay.
So like maybe other people might not know. So Biryani by Kilo now we are 50 outlets in more than 20 cities. It's a 100 crore company now. And see, हमारा जो USP है, if you know, so we after the order comes only we make fresh biryani in handi and we deliver it in the same handi. So first of all, it's fresh, authentic, and it's safe because customer opens the seal and very great, nice kebabs, korma, firni as well. So I think people right now should be safe, stay at home, and I think Biryani by Kilo, biryani and other products very, very safe. We take temperature of every employee every morning. It's put on website. Every kitchen counter is cleaned every hour. Every delivery bag is sanitized every order. So every contactless delivery and everything is cooked above 250 degrees centigrade. So it's quite very safe. And while people are at home, it's not sometimes possible to cook all the time. You have to once in a while let go. So,
yeah, totally agree. So, and the precautions you guys are taking is really nice, and any which way it's in a handi. So yeah, there is no thing that you can get it. Anybody can touch or anything, So
And
no
it's
chroma.
only by the customer, it's dum cooked. And what else you like other than biryani? आपको और क्या लगता है अच्छा? What do you like?
I am a big time foodie, but because of our work, I think we actors can't eat that much, but we have to control a lot. But I love all the food like chaat, all the Punjabi food, North Indian food, not the South food that much. South, as in the Maharashtrian food, I'm not really fond of. But the North, अगर दिल्ली जाते हैं वो दिल्ली that Chandni Chowk and all that. So वहाँ का जो authentic खाना है, I don't know why, but I love that feel of it, Chandni Chowk का, and the food like ages and centuries से वहाँ पे shops है, those
Okay.
jaleba वाला, those what do you call पकोड़े वाला, टिक्की वाला, so there's so many.
फील आती है पूरी खाकर ना.
वो पूरी खाने की feel आती है, yes, I love that. पराठे वाली गली, पराठा वाला, I love that.
And what about the Italians and the Japanese and the Mexicans? You like that?
I like Mexican. I like Mexican food. Italians very bland for me, I think. So I'm not that much interested. And
इसमें
very
सब
much, what the pizza, pasta, so much unhealthy thing, I think. So I'm not very fond of that. Maida, I'm not fond of maida that much. But we love eating it once in a while, why not? But not very much. If given a chance, given a choice, so I would like to go for Mexican. Yeah.
Mexican. And what else do you like to do other than acting and exercise now we know and food? Anything else which people don't know you like?
People don't know. I like poems on
Oh,
my
you like,
free time.
okay.
Yeah,
You write,
I like writing. I like
you write.
writing. Yeah, I like to write. I write my diary every day, so that also people don't know. So it's like your friend, your best friend sort of a thing. When you're talking to your diary, it's like that before sleeping. So it's a good thing, I think. I like to paint, all the creative stuffs I like.
So you are a creative person. So you write. So you can be a script writer at some point, yeah? Or a writer.
Yeah, I think I can. I think. Not thought of it yet, but I like writing. I think I just know the knack of, we are more of like perfectionist sort of. I'm a Virgo, so it should be perfect. Like the start and the end and the middle needs to be right. I can't just do it just like doing it. It needs to be right. So when I'll reach that point, like when I'm satisfied with what I have done as an actor, so I think then I can go for it. Maybe don't know right now.
तो एक्टिंग आप शुरू से कर रहे हैं स्कूल कॉलेज से या बाद में आके शुरू करी?
Oh no! Initially, तो I never knew that I want to become an actor. मतलब वो बचपन में शीशे के सामने acting करना होता है. That we used to do. I used to do, and like my family was like, पागल हो गई है क्या? What is she doing? Why is she not studying? So all those things. So eventually, when I started working, and then I started realizing that there is something which I really want to do. I studied journalism. So in my college, people were used to study film studies there, and they used to call me for their shoots, for their music videos, films, and also in my college, I have done a lot. But still, I never wanted to become an actor. I was like, no. So, but eventually, when I started working, and then I realized that that's the thing which used to make me happy, my heart happy. And even if I'm getting good pay and everything, but there's something I'm missing out. So I really need to work on that. And I took that leap of faith and came to Mumbai. And every month, like 4 days or 5 days in a month, I used to come give auditions and go back to work. So like that I used to do. And finally I cracked in TV through Balaji show. So then I left the job and I came here.
So like,
Almost
but I think it would give hope to a lot of people who are not from Mumbai and not from acting families कि someone is good तो आओ audition दो करो life में हो जाता है अगर talent है.
I believe that you should never regret कि यार shit यार ये नहीं किया. So I cannot live in regret. So I just want to try. Let me try. If something good is there, it will happen. If I don't fit in, it will not happen for me. So why not to give it a try?
लाइफ में एक You should have the
With
courage to live your dream.
courage to take a risk. Yes, yes. You never know.
मैं आपकी इंस्टा पे देख रहा था अभी आपने अभी अभी आई थिंक रिसेंटली यू डिड स्काई डाइविंग एज वेल राइट
Yes.
तो करेज पे मुझे याद आया स्काई तो वेयर डिड यू डू दैट
Dubai, Palm Jumeirah.
काम जो है
Yes.
वो अभी करा बिटवीन टू लॉकडाउन्स
Yes,
अभी
yes, yes. The end of last lockdown, in February around I went there. So that time I did skydiving. So मैंने अब post किया है वो because बीच में time नहीं मिला था. I was a little busy doing my stuff, shooting for things. So मुझे लगा मैं करूँगी post. I was like, now I have to do it. So yeah, it is a beautiful experience. Beautiful experience. I think हर किसी को लाइफ में एक बार स्काई डाइविंग कर लेना चाहिए.
तो what were the thoughts की लाइफ में मतलब लाइफ looks ephemeral right a fleeting there right कि आप ऊपर से देख maybe the meaning you would see would be
Yes. I felt as if, yeah, what are we? We are nothing. Like this whole world is so big, and we are nobody. Like देखें तो we are just living our own life. You know, so we are so like
Just-
within ourselves. I think we human are within ourselves. There are much more bigger things in life rather than just your own. So I think you just need to be good to others. I think and live your life to the fullest. I would like to say.
नहीं I think you have a good philosophy so and do you do any cooking as well अभी आप बॉम्बे में कैसे काम चल रहा है क्या कर रहे हैं लॉकडाउन में
लास्ट टाइम जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो इनिशियली आई वाज एट होम ओनली यहीं पे मुंबई में सो अभी मेड आना बंद हो गई नोबडी वाज अलाउड सो व्हाट टू डू आई वाज हंग्री एंड आई हैड टू कुक समथिंग सो आई स्टार्टेड कुकिंग and then I realized that mother used to teach me and I used to cry that time कि मुझे नहीं सीखना मुझे नहीं करना but then I realized my mother used to tell me so when I started cooking and खाना वाना अच्छा बनने लग गया and then I went home जब flights वगैरह खुली and I started cooking for my parents and parents were like oh my god हमारी बेटी खाना बना रही है हमारे लिए so that feeling of making them happy and I think खाना बनाने का मजा खिलाने में ही आता है so and now I know that I have learned cooking in the last lockdown so I can
तो सिल्वर लाइनिंग ऑफ द लॉकडाउन है कुकिंग आ गई
कुकिंग आ गई मुझे बस
व्हाट डू यू कुक इंडियन फूड दाल चावल
दाल चावल तो हाँ आई बेक्ड केक फॉर माय ब्रदर्स बर्थडे मैं घर गई थी तो वहां पे मतलब मैं कहूंगी दैट वाज द मोस्ट डिलीशियस केक आई एवर हैड एंड माय पेरेंट्स वर नॉट बिलीविंग ऑन इट तो मैंने केक काटा एंड आई भाई को खिलाया एंड डैड को खिलाया दे वर लाइक तो सच में अच्छा है when I ate it I was like yes and the next day they were like अरे खत्म हो गया that was so tasty so I got magic in my hands, I think. So I used to make good stuff, pancakes, and I made a lot of things. Yeah, I made a lot of things: cookies, pancakes, cake, basic like parathas. Also, this time also I went for Holi, so I made gujia with my mother. So it's very traditionally like very munching sort of gujia she makes. So I've learned that.
But have you tried cooking biryani or kebabs as well?
No, not the chicken because chicken वो रह गया chicken के साथ बनाना. I made pulao and all, but not chicken. I think chicken में ज़्यादा time लगता है, so that's still left. मैं last time बोलती रह गई मम्मी को chicken बनाएंगे but still left.
पर बिरयानी और कबाब्स के लिए of course you have biryani by kilo to order. You don't need to make.
Yeah, now I know. I don't have to make it. I have to order.
Order. So any message you will like to give to your audience or take any messages from the screens? A lot of people are sending you love.
Yeah. I love you all, guys. There are lots and lots of messages. Can't looking awesome. support. Okay. Love your chats. ऐसे सब messages आ रहे हैं. मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. कैसे मैं लिखा? Thank you. Okay. बहुत सारे messages हैं. I'll just say. From Kerala, त्रिवंदम से है. Hi. Hello. रूप मर्द का नया स्वरूप बहुत अच्छा था. Someone is saying my serial रूप मर्द का नया स्वरूप. I did shows, TV shows before. And you're my world, Donald. If you have to choose between biryani and pani puri, what will you choose? Oh God, it's so difficult. Right now, I am at biryani by kilo, so I'll choose biryani. It's very difficult because all my fans knows I love pani puri like anything. Whenever I go to Delhi, so वहाँ जाके मुझे पानी पूरी तो खाना ही है.
बॉम्बे में इतनी अच्छी नहीं मिलती, राइट?
नहीं मिलती. वो गरम गरम, उसमें वो स्वाद नहीं आता है. छोले भटूरे खाने हैं, पानी पूरी खाना है. So that is the thing.
Any message you?
Any message I wanna give it to my fans is please take care of yourself, and pandemic gaya nahi hai, as you can also see, and I am also at my home, and I am doing exercise, I am working out, taking care of myself. So you also have to take care of yourselves. There was a video of a doctor crying because people are not taking care. So please, जो भी doctors हैं बाहर, वो आपकी help के लिए हैं, and they are doing their best. So you should also do your best. So take care, and और इसको everybody अगर साथ मिलकर के जुड़ेंगे, then only we can defeat this COVID, corona. Otherwise, things will be bad. So please take care of you, take care of your family, your loved ones, everyone.
No, thank you so much, and I'd also like to say, stay home, stay safe. Biryani by kilo.
And keep ordering biryani by kilo. Biryani. Whenever you feel hungry.
So we have 50 outlets in 20 cities. You can order from biryanibyKilo.com website, our app, or we have an all India call center number 9555-212-212, or Zomato, Swiggy. We are absolutely safe, and you guys also stay safe, stay home, and we wish you, Donald, all the best. It was really lovely talking.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.